Welcome back for watching me waste more of my money on a box. I can't remember. I spent, it was like almost $1,000 for these boxes, or maybe more. I can't remember. It was like $1,200, $1,100 for all three boxes. And yeah, I'm just not making money back, which is fine. I knew I wasn't going to. This is just nostalgia, you know, because nostalgia is totally worth it. We got some more Desire. I like the Ember Beast. And a Dream Wanderer. Were these made? These were, oh. They were drawn by the same person. I was like, they look very similar in how they're drawn, and they were drawn by the same person. And we got a Druid, a Filthy Cur. Aw, you know what? All he really needs, when he was dealt damage, whenever he is dealt damage, okay. He just needs a little bit of loving, he'll be fine. Second Thoughts, Dusk Imp, the Chain Flinger, Blazing Salvo, Dematerialize, Leaf Dancer, Buried Alive, which is worth like $4, I think. Metamorphic Worm. What? Wait a minute. It's an elephant worm? So you can put it in an elephant tribal deck? That doesn't look like an elephant. Ooh, hold on. Sungrass Egg. I definitely like the way the old artifacts look. And our rare is Hint of Insanity. Target player reveals his or her hand. That player discards from its all non-land cards with the same. Nah, not useful in Commander, which is mostly what I play. All right. I don't know how much that's worth. I'm not gonna look it up. You'll have to look it up yourself. I'm not doing your job for you. But you're not customer friendly. Well, this is a service industry. Sorry, I'm just channeling my inner. All right, Shades Form, the Fire Beast, Spirit Flare. These sets, the Torment and Judgment, are much smaller than Odyssey, so I'm not too worried about just going through them faster. The Veteran, the Aven, the Restless Dreams, okay. Obsessive Search, it's like me obsessively searching for Cabal Coffers. Petrivarch, Cabal Ritual, Acorn Harvest, Hypochondria, Tainted Wood. It's not a land, boo. Or it's not the land I want. The Illusionist, and Last Laugh. What's this? Whenever a permanent other than Last Laugh is put into a graveyard from play, Last Laugh deals 1 damage to each creature and each player. When no creatures are in play, sacrifice Last Laugh. Oh, okay. That's cool. I guess have like one unindestructible creature. That'd be all right. All right, Judgment. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Oh. I felt the cards flex. Were these packs resealed? Nah, they weren't resealed. Definitely not resealed. I pulled them from a sealed box. It had logos on it and everything. Totally can't be resealed. Corrosion Reclamation. Soul Catcher Airy. This is a new card. I haven't seen this before. Kind of cool. Treacherous Vampire, very treacherous, very spooky, and a Pulse Mage Advocate, Cleric, return 3 target cards to your opponent's graveyard, in your opponent's graveyard to his or her hand, return target creature card from, you shall not have Threshold, and I will get a creature back. That's pretty nifty. Nomad, Rights, Tracer, Werewolf, Strands, Vines, Researcher, Fire Beast, Tiger, Hawk. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's really not much else to say. Those 3 packs weren't impressive, but tune in next week. Maybe we will get a Cabal Coffers, maybe. Or maybe I won't get one in the entire box. Have a good day. Goodbye.